Welcome everyone to day 8 of the Advent of Logos 2024. Hello world, I am Ivana and I am making a logo every day of December. I really hope you're enjoying this series. short videos, but I think you're still enjoying them because I am enjoying the process. I like making the logos. I like the briefs that I've written, or ChatGPT has generated, honestly. And yeah, I am loving the process. I think I am getting better. And so I cannot wait to show you today's logo and today's brief first. Let's read it together. Today we have a brief for a vineyard or like wine brand. I don't really know. I don't really know what the difference is. It's like there's a vineyard that produces wines, but can the wines have their own name? I don't know. I've only made the logo for the vineyard that produces the wines, and the wines are just a different assortment of wines. And so we're making a logo for Luna Aeterna Vineyards. Luna Aeterna Vineyards is a boutique winery that specializes in producing premium wines with a focus on elegance and refinement. I'm really excited to have this brief because I can already imagine the logo when I am reading the name of the vineyard, like Luna Aeterna. Like it does sound very expensive and boutique wine to me. Not that I'm a wine drinker, but still it does sound really good, okay? Inspired by the moon's ethereal beauty, the winery creates a celestial experience through its exceptional vintages. Each bottle is designed to transport wine lovers to a world of mystique and wonder. The name Luna Aeterna, which is Latin for eternal moon, represents the timeless connection between winemaking and the natural world. The founders, inspired by the moon's cycles and its influence on agriculture, sought to create a winery that harmonized with these celestial rhythms. Nestled in a picturesque valley under vast starlit skies, Luna Aeterna Vineyards celebrates the artistry of nature and its enduring mysteries. The ideal client is a professional or entrepreneur who loves exploring luxurious niche experiences. They frequently purchase premium wines for special occasions, gifting, or to enhance their private collections. This client is also intrigued by the celestial and mystical branding, finding it both enchanting and aspirational. And so after I read this brief, I knew that I wanted to have a mostly typographic logo, or only like the word mark to be a logo. I don't know why. I just knew that I wanted Luna to be in a nice font and looking very like exclusive, exquisite, one of these two, and to look sophisticated, expensive. And so how I handled this was just, I was looking at these serif fonts, and I think they could also work really well, but somehow I really liked making my own. So from a sans serif to maybe customize just a little bit to make it look a little bit more expensive. And so I took this font called Anybody. It's very variable, like it has a lot of, it's a big font family. It has an expanded or condensed or semi-condensed, semi-expanded versions. It's very versatile. And so I took that one. I'm going to show you now. I took this one with the Anybody expanded in the medium weight, and I made it in outlines. What I did was basically I wanted to bring in some of the parts of the letters to be thinner, and in the L it was just a little bit like this. In the N also, from this side and this side. The U, I wanted to bring in the curvature down. And the A, I brought in one side a little bit. But on the lower end, I just brought this in like this. I think I brought in also this side a little bit because it became very thick, or it looked very thick, much thicker than the other sides. And so I really liked how this looked. I think it looked very sophisticated and luxurious. This is the finished version, with Aeterna being in a very light, thin font. The biggest emphasis on the Luna in this case. And so I wanted to see how Aeterna would look, which it does not. I didn't want it to take from the Luna. Didn't want it to take from the sophistication of the Luna type, and so I just made it in a very simple typeface. I chose a very simple typeface, and I made it super light and graded out so that it doesn't take out that much emphasis. Right. This was a very quick logo design, I'm going to be honest. I'm not the best like typographer over here. Oh, I'm not like at all a typographer actually, but I really like how this turned out. Like I said, it was very quick. I knew what I wanted to get out of this logo, and so it worked really well. But on the side, I also thought maybe I could make some icon, and so I did do a moon and stars icon, and I do think it looks pretty good. And yeah, so I capitalized Aeterna as well so that it looks a little bit more high-end, luxurious and stuff like this. So yeah, this is the finished logo, but I also wanted to show you what I made as a label, because I wanted to see how it would look on a wine bottle. And so what I decided to do was include a moon in the label, and also because I wanted this celestial feeling that they described in the brief, I wanted to make these stars around, obviously, the logo. The stars are from the logo icon, and so the moon in the label will be a different color depending on which wine we're putting the label on. And so yeah, this is how it looks in the mock-up. I sort of wanted to look a bit different. I wanted to have maybe some silvery glow here, the Luna, but I just need to make it a bit later. I will make it and maybe show you the final result over here of how I imagined the bottles would look. But I think this looks really well. I don't know if it looks very high-end and super classy, but I really like how it turned out. I am very satisfied that I could bring that idea that I had for the logo in Illustrator. I made it as I imagined it, as in I imagined just customizing a little bit of a font, and then I did, and so it turned out really well, I think, based on what I imagined. So yeah, if you liked this logo, please comment down below, and comment a wine emoji of some sort. I think there is a red wine or something, to see if you've made it this far. If you're gonna use this brief, please let me know. Or if you've used any other of the briefs of this advent of logos, please let me know. Like the video if you liked the video and the logo. And subscribe if you want to. Like, I have more videos to come. I will try to make all of the logos for December, but then who knows. Anyway, thanks everyone so much for watching. The rest of the playlist, again, will be over here if you're interested to see the other videos. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye!